Hi everyone, today we're taking a quick look at MEHC-curation, a Python framework designed to make molecular dataset curation easier and more accessible. In QSAR modeling and drug discovery, the quality of your dataset is critical, but many molecular datasets contain issues like invalid structures, duplicates, and inconsistent SMILES entries. This package helps solve that by turning a complex curation process into a simple, automated workflow, so researchers can prepare cleaner, more reliable datasets without needing advanced expertise in cheminformatics. This is a three-stage curation pipeline. First comes validation, where the tool checks the syntax and removes problematic entries such as mixtures, inorganic compounds, and organometallic compounds. Next is cleaning, where salts are removed and charged molecules are neutralized. Finally, in the normalization stage, the package standardizes molecules by removing stereochemical variation and normalizing tautomer forms. Importantly, duplicates are removed throughout the workflow, so the final output is a much cleaner and more consistent data set for downstream modeling. Just a small warning here. When I tested the tool on a dataset, I created a compound with a large salt separated by a dot from a simple 3-carbon atom molecule. The package removed it as a mixture. This is correct, even though it contained a known salt and a valid small compound. So, if you have similar molecules in your dataset, it's a good idea to review them carefully before deleting them completely. This is it for today. This data curation package provides a practical and automated way to prepare high-quality molecular datasets, and it can fit easily into your drug discovery workflows. The tool is also easy to install. I'll put the GitHub link in the description so you can try it out yourself. I hope this tool will be useful for your research. Until next time, take care.